Welcome to Food Dialogues, dialogues with food and about food. Today we're going to see a very interesting street food, the Moonglet. This Moonglet is a very popular street food in Delhi, and Kapil's Moonglet is something that we must have. So till we visit Delhi and eat Kapil's Moonglet, let's make it in our kitchens. The ingredients for the Moonglet are half a cup of Moong Dal, from which probably the name has arrived at, Moong Dal or the green gram, Chana Dal or the Bengal gram, salt to taste, cheese as required, a little bit of coriander, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, butter, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes. I've taken 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now in place of this, we can use 1/2 teaspoon of Eno's fruit salt. Since I do not have Eno's fruit salt, I've substituted it with citric acid and baking soda. Now we're going to soak both the dals for about 4 hours in water, then grind it to a paste along with these ingredients, the ginger, the green chili and the coriander, and I'll get back to you. Now I've ground the dals. You see the batter is thick enough, but at the same time pouring consistency. I'm going to add the baking soda and the citric acid. Now these are leavening agents which have to be added just before you begin the process of cooking. Baking soda and the citric acid, the batter is fluffed up. Now I put a pan on the stove, heated it up. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Going to lower the flame, cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Now the underside is almost cooked. So now I'm going to turn it so that this portion of the Moonglet is also going to get cooked. So the Moonglet has been flipped. And now we're going to use a pizza cutter and gently cut it on the top. And we are going to flip open these flaps. I've removed the upper layer of the Moonglet. Now I'm stuffing it with tomatoes, onions and cheese. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but tomatoes and onions are the basic. You can use the colored capsicum, you can use green chilies, you can use grated carrots and even potatoes. So this Moonglet is a high protein, moderate carbohydrate snack. You can use it for your meal also, and you can pack it up for your kids' lunch. Now we have to gently close the flaps. Try to press it in. And add some more butter on the top. So let's allow this to cook on low flame. The side of the moonglet is done. I am now going to turn it out onto a plate and I'm going to flip it again. I'm going to gently slide this so that the layer with the filling also gets cooked slightly before we can remove it. Now I'm going to switch off the flame and I'm going to remove the moonglet onto a pan. So now the moonglet, our very Desi pizza, is now ready to eat. High protein, moderate carbohydrate, full of fiber, vitamins and minerals. You can vary the stuffing depending upon your choice. So till we visit Kapil's Chart Corner, let's enjoy the moonglet from our kitchens. Happy eating!